Electrolysis is a chemical and electrical process. It occurs when two different metals are in contact in the presence of a moist agent such as water. One of the metals is corroded away. This can occur even in pure water. Immersed in this water are two plates, one of aluminium alloy, the other of cast iron. The atomic structure of aluminium means it loses electrons easily, leaving behind aluminium ions which are positively charged. Negative oxygen ions in the water are then attracted to the aluminium ions, and they join to form deposits of aluminium oxide. As a result, the aluminium alloy is eaten away or corroded. This water is open to the atmosphere or at atmospheric pressure. It is heated and it boils. The thermometer shows its boiling point. Now the water is put under pressure, higher than atmospheric pressure. It's heated and it boils at a higher boiling point. The pressure is decreased. The water again is boiled, but at what temperature? Compare these boiling points. Raising pressure above atmospheric pressure increases the boiling point. Lowering it below atmospheric pressure lowers the boiling point. So changing water pressure can change the temperature at which it boils. Centrifugal force is a force pulling outward on a rotating body. A vehicle turning a curve is a similar system to this rotating body, so it is subject to centrifugal force too. Centrifugal force resists turning and tries to keep the vehicle moving in a straight line. Centrifugal force is also the force that causes an out-of-balance wheel to vibrate. Centrifugal force can also be useful. When coolant enters the center of this pump and the rotor spins, centrifugal force moves the liquid outward.